how to use green screen in Clipchamp. So let's create a new video, and I have prepared a green screen right here that I'm gonna add. And let's just do a random video. Let's do this. So what you want to do is add the background of the green screen first, and then add the green screen on top of this. Now this green screen is kind of short, so we can make it a bit longer by just doing copy, going here and then paste. Just like that. And now what you want to do is add effects. So you want to click this green screen right here in the timeline. On the right side of the screen, click effects, and here you should see green screen. Now select this green screen. You can select the green screen threshold. So you can use this green screen threshold if you still see some of the green popping out. So let's just drop this to about, let's say here. And now you can see the green screen at play. Now the green screen is not going to work here because we haven't added it. You can of course add it like that, and the screen threshold should stay the same. And there you go. That's how to use green screen in Clipchamp. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.